A meal plan for cancer patients needs to be nutritious, easily digestible, and focused on maintaining strength and energy. It's important to incorporate protein, healthy fats, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains while being mindful of any treatment-related side effects such as nausea, taste changes, and difficulty swallowing. Here is a sample 7-day meal plan for cancer patients, with considerations for general dietary needs. Day 1. Breakfast. Scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado. Whole grain toast with almond butter. Fresh orange juice or a smoothie with banana, berries, and Greek yogurt. Lunch. Grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, cucumbers, tomatoes, olive oil, and lemon dressing. A small side of quinoa. Snack. Apple slices with peanut butter or a handful of mixed nuts. Dinner. Baked salmon with roasted sweet potatoes and steamed broccoli. Brown rice or couscous. Snack, if needed, cottage cheese with sliced peaches. Day 2. Breakfast. Oatmeal with chia seeds, honey, and blueberries. A boiled egg for extra protein. Lunch. Turkey and cheese sandwich on whole grain bread with leafy lettuce and tomato. A side of carrot sticks or cucumber slices. Snack. Hummus with whole wheat crackers or veggie sticks. Dinner. Grilled turkey meatballs with marinara sauce. Steamed green beans and mashed potatoes made with olive oil and garlic. Snack, if needed, a smoothie made with almond milk, banana, and spinach. Day 3. Breakfast. Greek yogurt with honey, walnuts, and sliced strawberries. Whole grain toast with avocado. Lunch. Baked chicken breast with quinoa and roasted veggies, zucchini, carrots, and bell peppers. A side of mixed greens with balsamic vinaigrette. Snack. A small portion of unsweetened applesauce or a ripe banana. Dinner. Grilled fish tilapia or cod with a side of sautéed spinach and mashed cauliflower. Brown rice or a quinoa salad. Snack, if needed, a small bowl of low-fat pudding or a dairy-free alternative. Day 4. Breakfast. Smoothie with protein powder, almond milk, spinach, and frozen mixed berries. A slice of whole grain toast with a boiled egg. Lunch. Lentil soup with a small whole grain roll. Side of leafy greens with olive oil and vinegar dressing. Snack. Sliced cucumbers and bell peppers with hummus. Dinner. Stir-fried tofu with brown rice, broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers. A small side of roasted almonds. Snack, if needed, cottage cheese with pineapple chunks. Day 5. Breakfast. Scrambled eggs with mushrooms, onions, and spinach. A small serving of whole grain toast with almond butter. Lunch. Grilled chicken wrap with hummus, mixed greens, cucumbers, and tomatoes. A small side of sweet potato fries baked. Snack. A smoothie made with almond milk, strawberries, and protein powder. Dinner. Roasted turkey with mashed potatoes and steamed carrots. A side of green beans. Snack, if needed, a handful of walnuts or almonds. Day 6. Breakfast. Whole grain pancakes with sliced bananas and a dollop of Greek yogurt. Fresh fruit or an orange. Lunch. Grilled shrimp over a salad with mixed greens, avocado, cherry tomatoes, and a light vinaigrette. Side of brown rice. Snack. A small portion of trail mix with nuts and dried fruit. Dinner. Baked chicken thighs with roasted butternut squash and sautéed kale. A side of couscous or quinoa. Snack, if needed, a rice cake with almond butter. Day 7. Breakfast. Chia pudding with almond milk, topped with berries and nuts. Whole grain toast with a scrambled egg. Lunch. Grilled vegetable wrapped zucchini, bell peppers, and onions with hummus. A side of mixed fruit salad. Snack. Sliced apple with almond butter. Dinner. Baked cod or halibut with roasted potatoes and steamed broccoli. Side of wild rice. Snack, if needed, Greek yogurt with honey or a small bowl of mixed berries. General tips for meal planning. Protein. Include a variety of protein sources like lean meats, chicken, turkey, fish, tofu, eggs, beans, and nuts. Fruits and vegetables. Aim for a rainbow of vegetables and fruits to ensure diverse nutrient intake. Healthy fats. Incorporate sources of healthy fats such as olive oil, avocado, nuts, and seeds. Hydration. Include fluids like water, herbal teas, or diluted fruit juices. Ensure hydration is prioritized, especially for patients with nausea or vomiting. Texture and flavor. Adapt the textures and flavors based on the patient's preference and side effects, e.g., soft, bland foods for mouth sores, or flavorful options for taste changes. Always consult a healthcare provider or dietitian who specializes in oncology nutrition for personalized recommendations based on the patient's specific type of cancer, treatment, and any unique dietary needs or restrictions.